Hello guys, today's special video I show you how I renovate this fireplace. Plus under the video you find a link if you visit Italy, the south of Italy, Apulia, Salento, two spectacular places where you can sleep. See you after the intro. It's not easy guys, remember, be careful, there will be a lot of dust, so organize with a mask, maybe more than one. This is already very dirty. I clean everything, now we'll check with the brick, and after I will start to do the bottom of our fireplace. I want to show you that I'm recycling some bricks from the fireplace. The fireplace was used for many years. People were cooking using this fireplace, so the bricks were full of black from the fire, but also fatty part from the food. So I brushed them with the, I don't know the name in English. And after you need to also wet the brick. In this way the cement will attach better with the other material. The place to keep the wood is ready. Now I will make a break, take a coffee, and after I will cut the big brick, I don't know the name in English, and we will put to make the top of the wood store at the bottom of our fireplace. Okay, now we must wait the dry. When everything is firm, in a few days, we will go ahead with the stone from Puglia, le Chianche. See you in a few days. After at least 24 hours, the cement is hard, so we can go ahead putting the stone inside our fireplace. Remember that the cement for the fireplace dry faster, so you need to cut your stone, prepare the cement and attach it. And so on. See you later. I glue all my stones. The stones are big and the wall were not so straight, like you can notice. But don't worry, after when you will turn on your fire inside the fireplace, everything will be less clear. Now we have to remove the glue from the old tiles. For today we are done. See you tomorrow. Our plaster is already dry. So now we put the other plaster, sorry in English, the white one. I prepare already the same technique. We put here and we splash on the wall. If you like me are not so skillful, don't worry. When everything is dry, you need to scratch with the sandpaper more than usual. See you when everything is dry. Bye bye. Everything is dry. So now with the sandpaper we remove all the imperfection. If something is not so smooth, we can say, you need to do again the same work like before. But because, as you can notice, we need to finish also the wall around, I will do this at the end. So now I remove the big imperfection, and after, when everything is finished, we will check if the fireplace will be okay. We need only to paint it. So the fireplace is working very well. I put already the pot, so now we can cook our stew. Naturally, I'm joking, because in Apulia, side of Italy, in the summer, maybe the stew is not the typical dish. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share the video with your friends. If you have some advice about the fireplace, please let us know down in the comment. Plus, remember to check the link under the video. If you visit Italy, you should sleep in one of these two spectacular apartments. Bye bye!